Slicing an onion is one of those basic kitchen skills every home cook should know how to do. With the right knife that's nice and sharp, there should be no tears. Here, I'm using a small santoku knife, which has a wide blade with a straight edge, perfect for slicing and dicing a variety of ingredients. Things like cutting a watermelon or a pineapple into chunks after peeling. To cut your onion, slice it straight through the middle from the root to the tip. Then place the flat side on your chopping board and slice off the tip. Using a claw grip, that's with your fingers curled like this to avoid cutting yourself. Make even cuts into the onion from the root, making sure you leave the onion intact at the root end. And you just slice nicely, about 3/4 of the way up, moving your fingers along just like that. Then, if you turn it on the side and just do about 2 or 3 slices of the onion, and then you just go down like that, and you get that nicely diced onion. And there you have it, finely diced onion ready to cook or toss into a salad. For more tips on knife skills, click on the videos below.